All right, my loves. Now, I took this from the day of, all the way flipped and dyed, okay, into one of my most special moments in my entire life, letting y'all know I'm having a baby. ISEE Hair. Let's get on into this new unit. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I look crazy. Don't judge me, judge your mammy. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. And today we starting from scratch, baby. I got my kinky hair out. ISEE sent me some kinky hair, and we're going to get into this brand new unit, okay? So I'm coming to you. This will be 2 installments. One, just like a regular install. I'll beat my face, and then you'll see. And then I'll give you just guys a second look with her styled up. I hope you guys are having a really good day. I'm coming on through with a ISEE Hair. Okay, this unit is a kinky straight half wig. Okay, I love this. Oh, it's longer than I thought. Okay, so this is 20 inches. Kinky straight half wig. Let's see what goodies we got. We got an adjustable band, wig cap, stock card, and wig care tips. Okay, let's take a look at this wig. Now, full disclosure, I thought this would be shorter. She is straight kinky, 20 inches. Let's take her out and look at her. It's so crazy because I actually, the hair that I used when I went on Married at First Sight on Lifetime with my ISEE hair wig. And what I did was I just took one of my 7x5s and put it behind the hairline and just kind of got her together that way. So this kind of feels like a full circle moment where I'm actually getting a half wig from them that I can actually just kind of throw on and go. So I'm excited about that, specifically because I have an appointment in like a minute and like an hour. So there's that. This unit has 3 combs, okay, at the top. Can you guys get into that? She has 1 comb in the bag. Oh my God, the hair smells so good. Oh, that's so weird. Comb in the bag, as well as this adjustable drawstring band, okay? We love these. They make for an easy, strong install in our adjustable band, okay, as well. So I'm going to throw her on. My hair looks a mess right now. ISEE Hair really did not come to play with us. Between the texture of this unit, did you see how the hair was moving? The beautiful and visible hairline that makes for such a seamless, easy, beginner-friendly hairstyle. And literally the ease of install, me being able to just brush my hair on back and make this look like something. This unit ain't nothing to mess with. Now, I'm going to shut my Mimi Tap mouth for this moment so you guys can see what we're working with. So my issue is that my hair is jet black, but this is not. Yeah, so my hair is a little darker than this, which is annoying me a little bit. But not enough where I need to be like alarmed. I think it's a big deal. I don't think it's a huge deal. I think it's more a big deal to me than it'll be to anyone else. But I still think it might be in my best interest to dye it. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Going ahead and dye her jet black. But we wanted to see what she's looking like fresh out. Okay. It looks so natural. Like, this looks wonderful. I just want to get the color together. But let me beat my face. I'll be back so you guys can see it. You know, she's natural. She's giving natural steez. Look at that. Can you guys see the humps and the bumps? What a seamless install. And I'll be back. I'm going to get this together.
Okay, y'all, this is 3 days in before I decided to actually dye this unit. I wanted to curl her up and show you all what she's looking at. This is after I dyed her using my Revlon Color Silk. Look how seamless it looks now with that invisible hairline. And let's get on into the
Did use
details.
Revlon Color Stay to get her together, okay? She really took the color really, really well. My husband was like, you can't tell the difference. And I'm like, if I can't tell the difference, why can't I tell it now? It looks so much different. Like Shaka Khan, okay? The hair is beautiful. I'm just going to go on through, get this unit together. I'm going to curl her up using my wand curler. So what I did was actually just add an attachment to my Hoo Hoo curlers. It comes with several different like barrels, so you can kind of like manipulate the ones you want. I wanted a smaller curl, which is what I'm going to do today. We're going to do this in sections because I want it to be neat and nice. You know what I mean? I'm going to get myself together. I'm going to
So as I go on through and curl this unit up, I really want to give you the details of this unit. This is the Wear Go Half Wig by ISEE Hair, okay? She's an invisible hairline half wig and kinky straight. It really is supposed to give that flip over wig for beginners look. I currently have this unit in 20 inches, and baby, she is going for $150, okay? Just $150 right now, a little less than that. This unit requires minimal leaf out. It's perfect for like short hair blending, minimal styling experience. So if you're new at this, this is for you. She has a drawstring cap. Um, and this style, literally, like just throwing this unit up on your head, takes no time, like absolutely no time. I wore this unit for weeks before I actually did this video. So she really has been flipped and thrown just to kind of show the wear and tear. So that's why she looked a little bit older at the beginning of this styling. And that's because she genuinely was. You know what I mean? I had to do. And she went with me. And when I tell you she held on, baby girl did her thing. The texture of this hair is very soft. So when I say kinky straight, it's not giving brittle Brenda, okay? She's not ashy at all, okay? All that by ashy, that's for you, Kenya. That we're not experiencing here, okay? This is very much giving hydrated, wearing and ready to go, nicely blown out hair.
y'all, let's take our hair down. We are late. Wanted to do like really a natural beat. I want to give like, oh, you somebody. Mama. You picking up what I'm doing? So we just going to take our clips out. We're going to spray her one more good time. I need to I need to put on my pasties because I'm giving natural boob. That's not the look I'm going for right now. Hopefully these came out good. Ready? Y'all, just right now, this is how bad my pregnancy brain is. I'm rushing to take these clips out because it's 12:49. But then I remember the pregnant lady yesterday told the photographer 1:30. Shout out to that pregnant lady. She really doing her big one. Because she knew the pregnant lady today would not be ready. This worked out so good. I'm so proud of myself that I forgot. Pregnancy brain ain't no joke. I literally forgot. Perfection. You have to get this unit. It is not up for debate. Look at what I did to this. And I dyed her. She's been living her whole life with me. Do you hear me? This is my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. There's no reason. I have no notes. My favorite part about this unit is the drawstring on the back. This wig is not coming up off my mammy tap me head. So much so I wore her. I put the dye in her, wore her to bed, woke up, wore her to bed, woke up, wore her to bed. Okay? She's been living a full life with me. This unit is stunning. Stunning. She's coming out the scalp. Everybody needs a human hair half wig. I'm not saying that because I love ISEE Hair and they be holding me down. ISEE Hair has been a part of, I think, most of my major hairstyles. I just love the units. They always, this is a Kinky straight wig. The way she's like taking the curl and everything like that is also very impressive. I'm outdone. I'm outdone. I can't say anything more, better, less, whatever about this unit, except for you need one. You need one. You have to get one. This unit is everything. She's beautiful. I feel stunning in it. I cannot wait for you guys to actually see the pregnancy announcement so that you can see what all this hard work is for. Shout out to ISEE Hair. Thank you so much for joining your girlfriend again. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.